Hi, I'm Chef Nikki Shaw, featured chef for Cuisine Noir. We're partnering with Tony Chachere, and I'm showing you my Cajun crab cake sliders. I'm gonna start by preheating my oven to 400 degrees. First, I'll combine all of my wet ingredients. I'll add 1 egg, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Next, a 1/2 teaspoon of Tony's Louisiana pepper sauce, 1 teaspoon of Tony's More Spice Creole seasoning. Now I'll mix everything together. I'm going to add 2/3 cup of cracker crumbs and then my 1 pound of lump crab meat. This is my favorite. Then I'm gonna fold it all together without breaking up my crab meat. I'm gonna cover the bowl with plastic wrap, then put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, and this step is really important because this will allow my crab cake to stay together. All right, I'm gonna coat my pan with non-stick spray. I'll take a tablespoon and scoop up a heaping scoop of the crab cake mixture and form it into a ball about the size of a golf ball. All right, now that I've formed my crab cakes, I'm going to lightly drizzle a little melted butter on top of each crab cake before I put it in the oven. I'll pop this in the oven for about 12 minutes or until it's lightly golden brown. Then I'm gonna place each crab cake on top of my sweet Hawaiian style slider buns. All right, that's it for our Cajun crab cake sliders. For this recipe and more, go to cuisinenoirmag.com or tonysachary.com. Enjoy.